Hi, today's topic is VDR. VDR is basically voltage divider rule. Why do we use voltage divider rule? Basically, the reason we are using voltage divider rule is to calculate the voltage of any resistor, voltage of any resistance connected in series circuit. So there is a circuit in which resistor 1 is connected and resistor 2 is connected, and both are powered with a same power source V. So basically voltage dividers rule is used when we don't want to complicate our calculations by using our Ohm's law. We avoid the Ohm's law in the voltage divider circuit for our convenience, and we basically use simple voltage divider rule, where for example, if we are calculating the voltage of this resistor which is equals to V1 and this resistor which is equals to V2. So for calculating V1 we have two methods: either we use Ohm's law or we use VDR. In Ohm's law, what happens in Ohm's law? First we have to calculate overall resistance, that will be RT equals to R1 plus R2. Okay, then we got the total resistance, and we have total voltage equals to VT equals to V. So we can calculate the overall voltage by overall current V equals to IR. So the current is being calculated by resistance and the voltages, and then we know that in series circuit the current I remains same. So when we got current, we will put the resistance of resistance 1 and the current IT, and then we got V1 and R1. For this whole procedure we first have to calculate the overall resistance, then we have to calculate the overall IT, and then in third step we can calculate the V1. So for making our process easier, we will do a simple task by calculating by the formula V1 equals to the resistance across which we are calculating the voltage, that is R1, upon total resistance, that will be equal to the sum of R1 and R2 times total voltage, that will be V. So according to this formula, this is basically the VDR formula, and it will be easy for us to calculate the voltage of resistor 1. Let's take an example of it. Example consists of one resistor R1, R2, a battery powered supply. R1 will be around, let's take it 4 ohms, and this will be 6 ohms, and the power supply is of 15 volts. So we have to calculate the voltage across 4 ohm resistors. We can calculate simply by the formula 4 ohms. The resistance we have taken here will be taken as a numerator, and in denominator we will take the sum of the resistance, that will be equals to 6 plus 4 into total voltage, that is equals to 15. So our voltage will be equals to 4 upon 10 into 15. It will be 2 over 5, and 5 over 5 is a 50. 2 times 3 will be 5 volts. Sorry, 2 3 is 6 volts. So the voltage across 4 ohms will be 6 volt, and we can also calculate the voltage across 6 ohm resistor by the same formula, using the method 6 upon 6 plus 4 into 15. That will be equals to 9 volts. Or we can simply calculate the 9 volts by subtracting the V4 from the total voltages. V6 ohm equals to Vt minus V4 ohms. That will be equals to 15 minus 6 equals to 9 volts. See, these are same. So that's all from voltage divider circuits. Thanks for watching.